everyone. Today I'm going to do a summary presentation by narrating all the questions as shown on the screen. So for the first question, we can get the value of y by the formula y equal a squared plus b plus c. So if we change the values of b and c, then the values of y will also change as well, as you can see in here. Just like this. The values of y will change just like this. And for the second question, you can also see that the graph will also change according to the values of b and c. And this orange graph is for y equal a squared plus b plus c, and this blue one is for y equal a squared. So if we change the values of b and c, then the graphs will also change according to the values of b and c as well. So you can see in here. And for the third question, the numerical discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So if you change the values of b and c, then the value of numerical discriminant and the values of solutions will also change as well at the same time. So if we change just like this, then the numerical discriminant will change and the solutions will also change as well. It's like this, as you can see in here. And for the fourth question, we can see how the graph y equal a squared plus b plus c is shifted from the basic graph y equal a squared. So by referring to the completed square form y equal a plus b by 2 the whole square plus c minus b squared by 4, we can conclude that the graph y equal a squared will be shifted by the value of b will be shifted horizontally by b by 2. If b by 2 is negative, then the graph will be shifted to the right, and if b by 2 is positive, then the graph will be shifted to the left. And the graph will also be shifted horizontally and vertically upwards or downwards by the value of c minus b squared by 4. So if c minus b squared by 4 is negative, then the graph will be shifted downwards, vertically downwards, and the graph, if c minus b squared by 4 is positive, then the graph will be shifted upwards. So let me show you an example in here. Here. So in here, the graph is shifted to the left by 2 and downwards by 5. This is because the value of b by 2 is plus 2. So the graph is shifted to the left by 2, and the value of c minus b squared by 4 is minus 5. So the graph is shifted downwards by 5. And as you can, if you change the values of just like this, as you can see in here, the graph is shifted to the right by 2 and upwards by 2 because the value of b by 2 is equal to minus 2. So the graph is shifted to the right by 2, and the value of c minus b squared by 4 is equal to 2. So the graph is shifted to upwards by 2. So it's just like this. And for the fifth question, if the numerical discriminant is greater than 0, then there will be 2 real solutions. And if the numerical discriminant is equal to 0, then there will be only 1 real solution. And if the numerical discriminant is less than 0, then there will be no real solution, but 2 imaginary solutions. So let me show you an example in here. So if b is 5 and c is 4, then there will be 2 real solutions since the numerical discriminant is greater than 0. And if the numerical discriminant is equal to 0, there will be only 1 real solution, which is minus 2 in this case. And if the numerical discriminant is equal to minus value, then there will be no real solution, as you can see in here. So there will be only 2 imaginary solutions if the numerical discriminant is less than 0. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.